to a point where I'm like, I did.
Uthatha Mgwena ungomunye wabafundi abahlangana ne-278,814 abafundi bakamethigi baka-2022 abaphase nge-bachelors. Kodwa lokho sikubona kumraro ukufumana isikhala sokufunda emayunivesithi wenarha kulo mnyaka. Umgwena sekafumene iincwadi ezimbali ezivela emayunivesithi ezipha isibawo sakhe sokufunda kizo njengombana iinkhala zibangwa nje. Umnganakhe uKhosiyesile yena khanga abe nethuthi lokuphasa nge-bachelors.
Immediately when I got my results, I think 2 universities replied and I didn't get in. And obviously when you get a bachelor's pass, you're thinking that, yeah, you get in. So which means like they want the best of the best. And it is very sad and frustrating because I'm not sure which path to go now because, yeah, I'm not being accepted.
Isithombesi esivele emayunivesithi yoKetapasi tshengisa kungabi khona kwenkhala. Leli lirhubhululo litshengisa iinkhala ezikhona zabafundi kufuze bangene kokuthoma emayunivesithi umnyaka lo.
Requirements for different programs. That you might have had a bachelor pass, but specific subjects that are required to be passed at a particular level in order to be admitted to the particular program does not meet that requirement. So that's when then some of them, much as they would have had a bachelor pass, but they would actually not be taken.
Nalabo abahleli ukuthi bayokufuna amatoho kungenzeka bahlangabezana neentjhijilo njengomana umnotho uhlwahlaphele imisebenzi ayikho.
Graduate unemployment has not been a problem in South Africa, but that seems like it might be starting to change, particularly post-COVID. And we know that our labor market really struggles in terms of absorbing people.
Njengombana iphaliswano lalabo abaphasi ngamalengiso laraga iningi labafundi lithemba bona lizokufumana iinkhala emayunivesithi ukwenzela bona bazakhele ingomuso elihle.